that video from Jurassic World. Did they find it?
Today is July 29th, 2017, and we're out on the Shenandoah River doing a little canoe float trip.
Yeah!
Where's Harper? Harper! Hey girl!
I'm getting some correction.
Now we're getting ready to go over these rabbits here.
Oh, get in the middle. Wait.
Hello!
Hello.
Hey!
I found a big something.
You found a what?
I found
Now
a
that's
big
where the cows get it.
salt.
Oh,
right
you've
there.
been getting things out of the water?
Yeah, totally. I found this mini collection. And I don't know what to do today. And we're going on a
Hey.
vacation.
Hey.
How you doing?
You know.
Weather report right now. 65 and cloudy, light drizzle. Perfect day for the river. Love it!
And I...
Do your other voice.
No, we're going by hitting the old rabbit, y'all. What is my other voice?
That.
Like that? Okay. All right. Oh, camera right.
Do you want me to paddle? Because I won't.
No, let's go hit it on there.
I want to paddle.
Yeah. Here we go.
Whitewater, little chop.
Woo! Oh, cold. Oh, cold. Oh, cold. I'm dying. Disgusting.
Okay.
Oh, that's a mommy! Oh, not the mommy! Don't let go of mommy!